PSA to all freelancers out there. If you show up in a discovery call acting like you're in a job interview, you're already losing the sale. Because discovery call is not a job interview. It's a business conversation. It's a vibe check, a chance for you to lead and not just answer and hope for the best. If you ever ended a call thinking, I didn't even get to explain what I do, this one's for you. The problem is most freelancers treat discovery calls like audition. They say things like, I'm a fast learner, I'm hardworking, or I can do anything you need. And guess what? The client nods and never follows up. Why? Because you didn't position yourself as a business partner. You showed up like an applicant. And that's not how we close high-value clients, okay? You need to take control of the call, ask the right questions, and present a clear solution with confidence. And that starts before the call even begins. Hey guys, it's Sham, the founder of Barangay VA University, and welcome to our latest series called No Experience of Freelancing Spoon-Feed Edition. Do you like my new setup? I changed everything a bit because I changed my desk, okay? I upgrade. Make sure to access our official Notion board. It's in the description below. So you're guided with everything that you need, like all the dates, all the modules, all the worksheets, everything that you need are there. Templates, everything. Because as promised, this is spoon feeding. So please take advantage. Going back, I'm about to give you the solution to the problem. So better hit that like button, share, and that notification bell. Because what I'm about to bring to the table is a value bomb. Let's break it down. Here's how to prepare for and lead a killer discovery call like a true professional. First is to prep before the call. Don't just wing it. You have to stalk the business. You have to get to know the person you're about to speak to. Because the first time you guys meet, you have to have this common denominator and you have to prepare for that. So list down possible questions at the same time. So again, you guys have something to talk about. You guys share common interests. Have your materials ready, such as your pitch deck. Make sure it's tailored fit based on what the client needs. That's your equipment, your mic, your internet connection, everything to make sure that there's a good impression and there's no interruption. Number 2, interview versus discovery call. Know the difference. An interview is when the client asks all the questions and you're there to impress them with your answers. A discovery call, however, is a two-way thing. It's a two-way convo. You're both figuring out if this partnership makes sense. Is it a fit? You're not auditioning, you're evaluating too. Number 3, learn the purpose of discovery call. It's not just about selling yourself, it's to understand the client's pain point, build trust and connection, share how you work, and decide if you want to work with them. Because not all money is good money, okay? Number 4, what to ask during the call. Here are some golden questions to guide the call. Number 1 is tell me about your business or your goals right now. Next is what tasks or areas are you currently struggling right now? Why now? What triggered you to look for support? What kind of results would make this partnership worth it for you? And do you have a preferred budget or timeline in mind? You are not just chit-chatting. You are currently gathering data so you can propose the right solution. And in this way, you would know if you are also the right solution for that client. Number 5, bring a sample pitch deck. And yes, even if you're a solo entrepreneur, have a mini pitch deck ready. I told you have to tailor fit it based on the needs of the client. What should be in a pitch deck, guys? First is a short intro, who you are and who you help. Next is 2 to 3 testimonials or wins. Next is your process or your service flow. Next is a sample of pricing or packages. Range is fine. And lastly, what happens if they want to move forward? Pro tip is you do not send it ahead or before the call. Walk them through it during the call so you can explain the context. And of course, a bonus tip, guys, is to lead the call with confidence. Set the tone at the beginning. Try saying, thanks for hopping on. This call is all about getting to know you and the business and how I can help you and to see if we're a great fit. Sounds good? And just like that, you're in the driver's seat. Alright, here's what to do next. Number 1, stop treating discovery calls as job interviews. Number 2 is to prep before the call. Then build a simple pitch deck. And lastly, to lead the convo like a business partner, not as a desperate applicant. It's to connect, to qualify, and to confidently present what you can bring to the table. Run the call and don't let them run you.